Hello everyone, this is Hannah, and today I'm coming on to show you the tutorial video for this 3D book with drawer die set. So because there are several ways to play with this die set, so I will be doing like 2 or 3 videos to show you different ways to play with this die set. And today that's to make the the basic one, because this one is designed as a 3D book with a drawer die set. So yeah, let's play with this one in this way this time, and then I will do the other ways in the later time. And before the tutorial video, I just want to give you an update that this egg box die is available to purchase on in the KLJUYP store now. And yeah, let me show you very quick for the die set. So you get a very big egg as the base, and then you get this piece to make the broken egg in the front, and this is to cut the acetate paper. This is to cut the full portion, and this piece is to cut the acetate paper and also your background paper. And then you get this piece to make the size, and also this little like square piece to make the bottom of your box. So it's a super cute die set for your Easter days. Yeah, so I will also show you the link in the description box below if you are interested. And so that's back to this part. And here are all the dies, and I didn't use these in this video because this one is you can use it to make the front frame for your book, and since I only want to make the book itself this time, and you can decorate it whatever way you want to be, or use your other frames to decorate your front side of your book. Yeah, decorate your cover. And these are the flowers and leaves, and also a sentiment word memories in this die set. And this can build a really cute flower, different flowers. And so like this one and this one, like let me see, 3 different sizes. You can use these to make a large, and these to make a medium, and the smallest ones to make the small size flowers, which is very pretty. Yeah, so that is it. And then here are all the other dies. So for this one, you need to cut it 2 times for the basic piece and also for the layering piece. And this piece, you also need to cut it 2 times. This is the side piece, so you need to cut it 1 time with this one and the layering piece on top. And then for this side piece, you also need to cut it 2 times with both cutting dies. And then here comes these 2. So first you need to check the size. See, this one is a bit smaller, so the smaller one you need to cut it 1 time because it's going to make the bottom of your drawer part. And this one you need to cut it 2 times, is to make the front and back side of your book cover. So that is how everything is going to be built. And I have cut everything out. So this time I want to make a coffee theme book. So I used this 6-inch paper pack. This is available in the store, so I will also link it in the description box if you are interested. So I have cut all these, and let's get started. So let's first make the drawer part. So this one is the smaller size. It's going to be the drawer part, and this one and these ones. So these are for making the drawer parts. So first, let's stick each layering pieces on top, so it will be like this way. And I cut 2 pieces of layering piece for this one because I want to make the bottom part also be covered. And I didn't layer the inside of this piece for now because I want to use this one to cover the groove flaps for the side part. So first I glue all these sides up to this one. So that's fold all these as the folding lines first. So now glue this part to this end. And also did the same to this side. And now stick this part on this part. And now close this side part up. And now that's stick this piece on the bottom so it will hide all the groove flaps. So this drawer part is ready, and that's make the front side. So let's also stick the layering pieces first. Okay, now let's fold all the folding lines. Now that's adding the tape on top, the double-sided tape. Okay, so the groove flaps are all stickered, and first let's make this part a little curved because this part is going to be curved. So like this, and then put this part, see, like this way, like this way. So take out all the groove flaps. So that's stick it here. So yeah, this part is ready, and yeah, this is why I used double-sided tape because yeah, this dries very fast and yeah, it's good for this kind of project. And now let's also do the same to this one. Now let's take off this part. And add the cover on top. And also the same to this part. And now close this part. So yeah, it's like this, and you can put it inside. So this is how this one is like. You can also add like, here you can punch a hole here and then add a handle at this part to pull out this box, or you can like just stick some type of handles on this part, right? And then you can pull out your drawer. So yeah, it looks like this. And then you can also cover, decorate your cover. Yeah. And this is the size part. And you can also like add in some borders here just to decorate your book, or add in some alphabet here. Yeah, there are so many ways to decorate your book, but yeah, it looks like this. And it's really not hard to make, I think. Yeah, the most hard way I think should be this part. But since if you use the double-sided tape, it dries very fast, and yeah, it will save you a lot of time if you use the double-sided tape, and yeah, it fits very perfectly here, right? And yeah, really not hard to do. So yeah, this is the tutorial for today. And if you have any questions, please let me know. So thank you for watching. I'll catch you in my next craft video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.